Okay, so we have already discussed that as because it's a habit hardening platform today, I am trying to focus on. So you have to understand the message of life. Your failure, your ecosystem should be very strong. When you get success, you don't require anybody.
Yes, sir.
When you get failure, you require anybody.
Like many
Like
tuition
your
teachers.
parents, your friend. Okay. Now, if you don't get the support, suppose most of the time we don't get the support from the ecosystem when we fail. People put stone at you,
Thrown stone of you.
criticized you unnecessarily. What will you do? Who will give you the support? If you go to God, so-called God, whatever thing we find God in idols, murti.
God is giving
Guru,
only one
I'm
thing.
telling you the concept of God. God concept is nothing but energy.
He is giving only a energy to giving a person to
Puja.
absorb to thrown to
Yes.
his
What do
milestone.
people do? Worship, puja, to get some energy back, psychological energy.
But some few people are there very highly affected of these types of things.
That is called dogma. I told you. I have already discussed. We will discuss one day. Failure. Once you get failure, you seek help. If you don't get help, who can help you? Your own mind. So if you strengthen your mind,
Mind is your bigger family.
if you think there is no failure, I will once again try.
If your mind is
I
good,
will put my another endeavor. Let's see how much time I fail.
sir, mind is two types.
That's a different subject. I will discuss one day. But first, very simple way understand. Nobody is helping you. सहारा कोई नहीं मिल रहा है. तुम्हारा सहारा तुम्हारा माइंड से मिलेगा. अगर तुम्हारा माइंड का अंदर जो कंपोनेंट होता है, उसमें if you accepted ups and downs are part and parcel of life. Like that I told you the line, ECG line.
इसीलिए
अगर जिंदगी में ups and downs नहीं रहेगा, that means you are dead. Have you understand the ECG line and normal line,
yes sir,
linear line and ECG line?
yes sir.
ऐसा है वो कि हम लोग जिंदा है.
एक रिपोर्ट देता है तो लंबा सा
हाँ, लंबा सा
कागज
रिपोर्ट. हाँ.
कागज में उसमें ऐसे 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 ऐसे
That means that what is demonstrated, your heart is working.
yes,
तुम्हारा हार्ट काम कर रहा है.
रिस्पॉन्सिव.
मतलब तुम जिंदा है. जब वो पूरा हो जाएगा, सीधा हो जाएगा, मतलब you are died. So इसका मतलब मीनिंग से कैसे होगा? I am making a metaphor. लाइफ में लाइफ तब तक ही अच्छा है, आनंद है लाइफ में जब तक लाइफ में डिफिकल्टीज है.
yes sir.
Because in wisdom and that's why we are trying to grow up ourselves in our mind. We will not find difficulties as a problem. We will find difficulties in our life as an opportunity, as a golden opportunity for us. Because necessity is the mother of invention. इसका मतलब क्या है? I told you many times. Necessity मतलब दरकारी, प्रयोजनीय.
सर तो
इसका mother of invention मतलब कोई आविष्कार.
सर तो इसका मतलब ये हुआ अगर किसी को कोई बिना मांगे हुए वो चीज मिल जा रहा है तो उसका लाइफ कोई काम का नहीं है.
That's why I tell, if you get a lottery, you cannot keep that money.
yes,
You will spend the entire money.
if we ये
अगर उसको तुम ठीक से माइंड इंजीनियरिंग करके पैसा नहीं रख पाओगे तो I told you in Basirhat, in Barasar, one lad, he got a lottery of 1.5 crores 2 years back. Once again he became poor. He spent every 1.5 lakhs to behind the ladies. So the understanding is very clear. Mind engineering, your thinking. You need to work tremendously hard. But by developing a psychological thinking that there is ups and downs in personal life, there will be no downs, always ups. So once never give up. कुछ चीज छोड़ोगे नहीं. It will develop the thinking, positive thinking. That will makes your positive action. इसीलिए जो सक्सेसफुल आदमी होता है वो फेलियर भी हो जाता है, उसको हंसी मजाक से उड़ा देते हैं. Because 1 month cannot make a year, 12 month makes a year. है क्या नहीं?
Yes.
मैं तुमको बार-बार आई एम गिविंग यू अपॉर्चुनिटी आफ्टर अपॉर्चुनिटी, मौका दे रहा हूँ, so that you can get the message very clear. हाँ, Ronald has picked up very fast with his caliber. You are not picking up fast.
Because he don't understand the value of Wisdomania.
Yes. So here I told you your ecosystem play a very important role to develop and design your mind. Your ecosystem means रत्नेश्वर घाट का जो माहौल है, तुम्हारा जो वो जो बस्ती है इस्लामी है.
Like smoking kills.
बस्ती का जो माहौल है वो नेगेटिव है. These are negative. But you need to go into positive. क्या करना पड़ेगा? नेगेटिव और पॉजिटिव को आकर्षित करता है. तुमको पॉजिटिव फोर्स को ज्यादा बढ़ाना पड़ेगा, ना तुम नेगेटिव में चला जाओ. Am I right or wrong? तो हर टाइम तुमको सोचना पड़ेगा, एक कल्चर में रहना पड़ेगा, विजडमनियस कल्चर. Keep yourself very busy so that you can't think about. So there is a beautiful statement of Aristotle, Greek philosopher.
But we decided to negative to positive, to how to negative to positive through your mind.
So
which man is right for you, which man is wrong for you.
So there is a beautiful statement made by Aristotle. I think it has circulated in many much. Average mind think about people. Extraordinary mind think about situation. Now, I forget, then I will once again tell you. What he meant to say, the positive mind always thinks about the solution.
But negative minds.
And average mind thinks about the people.
You don't go for solution.
So, how to staying at Ratneshwar Ghat?
He was saying.
How will you connect with Wisdomania? The best part is that you are doing Wisdomania only 4 hours, 8 hours, 8 hours a week, no? So 8 into 4, 32 hours a week. But this is a Wisdomania culture you are staying.
But
in month कितने में होता है? What is the month? 24 into 30, no? कितना और होता है month में? ना, ठीक है क्या नहीं?
ठीक ही तो है.
720 hours makes a month. Am I right? Out of 720 hours, you are only spending 32 hours in Wisdomania.
But almost we have spent at sleeping more than half a.
No, that's not telling. तो इसका परसेंटेज कितना होता है? 720 में 32. 32 by 720 into 100. है क्या नहीं?
Yes sir.
कितना है? 3 के लिए 3 कितनी? अच्छा, whatever maybe. I think 5% or something like that. इसका नहीं. So 5% of time you are spending in Wisdomania. 95% of time you are 5% time which you are spending, which is a positive, which you are in positive zone.
हाँ तो but positive thinking is bigger than negative thinking.
Yes, that's why Sachin Tendulkar failed 80 times, make century 20 times.
It's a make positive to negative.
So ups and downs. Your life downs will be more than that ups, but the energy that ups will give is more than the downs has given. Are you getting my point? Very simple.
Yes sir.
तुम्हारा लाइफ में in your life ups and downs are equally important. Okay? ups will be 80%, downs will be 80%. मतलब your failure will be 80%. Your success will be 20%. But look at the energy weightage
But
they produce.
20% is more than the of
20%
80%.
most have a positive energy than 80% negative energy.
If we have 80% energy, we don't have a good life.
कभी तुमको हरा नहीं पाएगा. Because if you start believing that there is no what as called failure, it's a myth. Failure means repeat. That's why to end with these things, I am making a beautiful statement of Churchill, who fought single-handedly in World War II. Churchill is considered the best politician, the most intelligent politicians world ever produced.
American.
Sir Winston Churchill,
American.
England Prime Minister. In 1939, he was during the World War. Up to 1952, he got Nobel Prize also. Sir Winston Churchill told, what is called success? Success is nothing but failure after failure without losing. So beautiful statement of Winston Churchill. Success is called failure after failure without losing. This is
Enthusiasm.
what is enthusiasm? I told you many times. Enthusiasm means उत्साह. किसी में be opportunist, not pessimist. Optimist.
Opportunity लेना सीखेगा.
Pessimist and optimist. You know meaning?
Pessimist.
Optimist में कहता है हर टाइम में जो opportunity ढूंढता है. Pessimist हर टाइम में जो no बोलता है. अरे होगा नहीं, ये होगा, ये होगा.
Like common people are pessimist.
Most of the common people are pessimist.
But good leader is
Good leader always are optimist. They find opportunity difficult.
to how to build our yeah.
They find solution. Common people don't find solution. भगवान के ऊपर छोड़ देता है.
जो होगा भगवान.
तो भगवान का ये है वो देखेगा.
भगवान का लीला है.
कैंसर होगा शरीर में तो भगवान ने पाप दिया है, हमने कुछ खराब पाप किया है उसने, इसीलिए हो रहा है. और जो ऑप्टोमेट्रिस्ट होगा वो बोलेगा नहीं, इट्स ए जेनेटिकल डिजीज.
Yes sir. We go for another state to.
So find these things enthusiasm. What Winston Churchill told.
Yes sir.
Find out the story of Winston Churchill. Today you go and read from Google about Winston Churchill. And today at evening, when you call me, or tomorrow, you will tell me about Winston Churchill. One by one, I will give you one task. Who is Winston Churchill? His life. इसका एक आंख नहीं था. जब महात्मा गांधी उससे भेंट करने गया इंग्लैंड में, महात्मा गांधी धोती पहन के गया था. उसको बोला था, go back to India, be civilized and come here. He did not like महात्मा गांधी. तो देख नहीं पाता था महात्मा गांधी को. उसका ड्रेस के लिए, वजह के लिए. Winston Churchill, during the time of World War, what was his brain? Are you getting my point?
Yes sir.
Try to understand. And he told, success is nothing but failure after failure without losing enthusiasm. Do you understand the meaning?
Yes sir.
क्या meaning होता है इसका?
Success.
This sentence का meaning क्या है? In your life?
If we accept a failure, then we also accept success also.
Success is nothing but failure after failure without losing enthusiasm. Enthusiasm का meaning मैंने बताया. नहीं तो हिंदी में देख लो. What is the meaning of enthusiasm? उत्साह. Open. Find it out the meaning of enthusiasm
By Google.
by Google. What is enthusiasm? Now, that's why I told you Wisdom Mania. We are developing and we are training our mind. We are doing a mind engineering to mix ourselves.
So what is the
ENTHU,
E N
THU,
T H U
SI, SN. These are very vocabulary common words.
Utsaah.
Utsaah. As I told you. So what do you mean by this word? Success is nothing but failure after failure without compromising with enthusiasm. इसका मीनिंग क्या है? In your life you need to think for that. हम लोग फेलियर जब होते हैं क्या हो जाते हैं?
ये टेंशन में आते हैं थोड़ा।
टेंशन में कोई काम बनता नहीं है,
गलत काम होता है,
गलत काम हो जाता है, तब हम लोग उत्साह लॉस कर देते हैं ना।
अगर उस टाइम हम लोग कहीं घूमने जाए या
हम लोग अगर उत्साह को मालूम चल रहा है, उत्साह का बरकरार रख के we can keep our enthusiasm alive. What will happen?
we don't go for ये
We will not get tension and we will be free. Our mind, we can perform other work. Same work we will perform in different way.
yes. like lottery.
So that's why success is nothing but a failure. Success, what do you do? We always say failure is the pillar of success. What does it mean? Without failure we cannot get success. But with failure, if we get a lesson and message from failure and we will keep continuing with the failure without losing our enthusiasm, what will happen? We will always motivate ourselves. Am I right?
yes sir.
Am I right or wrong?
yes sir.
So I will ask both of you to come on this dais and explain this word to end today of our mind management program. This our program, we have divided our mind management program. How to train and develop our mind. What are the things we need to eliminate, eradicate from our mind to stay into the positive zone and think differently. That is our mission to become a global leader. I am connecting. That's why we always say Wisdomania thinking ahead of time. And we have symbol. You have seen our Wisdomania symbol. It is completely two sparking happening, two thundering happening, and it is sparking in a single point. That means we can do anything, everything. If we train our mind towards creative mind. Creativity is the only solution.
And we don't.
And creativity always comes when we be enthusiastic. In failure, if you be enthusiastic, we will find a solution creatively, innovatively. So Wisdomania's major component is creativity and innovative mind. Common men are not creative, they can't think differently. But extraordinary mind always think differently. Find a solution in a different way. That is only happen when you always be enthusiastic in failure also. And that will ensure your success. That is why Churchill told, success is nothing but failure after failure without losing enthusiasm. Being failed, if you are enthusiastic, you will continue to do the same work and you will get a success. It's required time. Over to Rana.
What I say.
You have to explain that, which I have explained.
First Raja will.
No, you first to explain, rather you will explain.
Hey Raja will.
That is why I am telling, being enthusiastic. First, video is on. You cannot. Video is on. Please stand. Go fast.
What we have done today, we have a topic session today, and today is my first day after lockdown. I am very happy, and we have discussed about enthusiasm. between common people and extraordinary people to these minds. Common people create only simple things. We don't have handle the difficult situation, but extraordinary mind, we are handling the different situation in different way in our life. Like many big leaders in our life, like Mahatma Gandhi, he is a very good leader of India. He was handed single-handed in 1947 year, and he was victorious also. That's why we are so many. That's why freedom was come. So many things will apply to ye because of wisdom many, because we are wisdom many, to apply our common sense and extraordinary thinking to extra ye. We don't have normal thinking and normal way to go. Same things we do another way. We solve all our problems, then we go next stage. That is our vision and mission. Our vision is very clear to become a good leader also in future, and we started a journey with very low age of biological age, and we should explain optimizes and value optimizes. So we should go for good optimizes to giving opportunity to difficult situations to handle this situation. If we good opportunities, then we are go for good leader also.
Tough. The next session for 15 minutes will start after 2 minutes break.
We go for sanitation. I will off.